Alright guys, so I thought I'd finally try out Vostok. Been hearing a lot of good stuff about them. Everyone seems to think that what you get for the money is a great value, so I thought I'd try it out. And this is my first ever Vostok piece. So it comes in the standard Vostok box. Nothing fancy, although it is quite difficult to open. There we go. So what have we got in here? So we've got a few bits of paperwork. We've got, well, it's actually the warranty card, which is stamped and dated, which is good. And some basic instructions for the watch, all in Russian though, no English. And then we have, I'm assuming that's information about the movement itself. Again, all in Russian, so put that to one side. So, as you can see, I've only got the bracelet in here. That's because I have actually taken this out. This isn't technically an unboxing, because I've already kind of done it. But, pop that to one side. So, the reason I haven't got it on this bracelet is because of Jody over at Just One More Watch, to be honest. He said that the bracelets on Vostoks aren't great, so you probably want to swap them out straight away. At first glance, this doesn't look too bad, but then the closer you look, the more little things you pick up and think, yeah, that just isn't great. Like this in particular. The fact that the brushing's kind of gone over the edge on that, not done very neatly. Again, same with the other side. So it just looks a little bit rough. It's just a simple butterfly clasp. Just push pins. It is solid, so it's not too bad, but I swapped it out pretty much straight away, like I say. And I'll show you what I swapped it out for. So, the strap I actually got it on is this mesh one, Milanese style. Again, as recommended by Jody. And he was spot on, to be honest. It is a really nice one. No issues with it at all, and it's definitely better than the one that comes with the watch. So I'm glad I got that. And it is actually branded as well, with the Vostok logo, which is nice. And it is really, really comfortable. And pretty much you're guaranteed to get the perfect size and fit, because it's dead easy to adjust. Pretty much infinitely adjustable as well. So, well worth picking up for the price that you're paying. But here is the watch itself. So, I can't actually remember the name or number of this. If it has a name, can't remember. But anyway, I'll leave that either on screen or get to that when we do the full review. This is just the first impressions and unboxing. So the reason I went with this one is because of this dial. So let's get a zoom in on it. I just think it's a really interesting dial. Not seen anything like this before. Not got anything like this in my collection. So I thought I'd try it out, and I'm really liking it so far. It's definitely something different. It's got a bit of an Art Deco thing going on, I think. And I do like it. So, quickly zoom back out. So let's talk about the things that normally crop up with Vostoks. So first of all, there's this bezel. It's bidirectional. It's just a friction bezel, so it doesn't click or anything, and it's pretty much, well, I'm going to say it's pretty much useless. It's just weird. It's not very, well, I suppose it doesn't move that easily, so it's a bit of a strange bezel, but I guess it just adds to the character of the watch, really, as does the other strange thing you get with Vostoks, this crown. So, unscrew it, and as you can see, it looks like it's broken when you first do it. If you've not seen videos and you first got one of these, you'd be like, oh my god, the crown's broken. But no, that is actually a design choice. They do it so that it doesn't get damaged when it gets knocked, which I think is quite a nice touch. Really clever, actually. So, let's quickly pull it out. So, there's no date position on this, so pull it out once and then you're just changing the time. And then obviously, as you can see, we don't have hacking, and then again screw it back in. It is quite a big crown, but I think it kind of goes with the style of the watch. I would have preferred it to be slightly shorter maybe, but it's nice and grippy. Unsigned. And again, it's just a simple watch really. Nothing too flash. But it's just got a nice unique character. You just don't see anything like Vostoks really. They've definitely got a style all of their own. And then we've got that lovely dome on that crystal. I'm not entirely sure what it is yet. Test that when we get to the full review. But overall, first impressions from my first ever Vostok, I'm actually quite liking it. Got a quick look at the Caseback. Again, all in Russian, but we've got the 200 meter water resistance on there. So you can actually take this swimming, which is nice. Not got to worry about that. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. So I look forward to trying this one out a bit more, then getting the full review done and coming back with that. And I'll let you know what I think. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.